Hello guys, we're going to make a simple sketch. Welcome back to this channel. Now we are going to make this simple sketch in SolidWorks. It is like uh, cylindrical shape that contains two origin point of the same center, but it is not the same. Okay, but now we are going to make this sketch in SolidWorks with the help of circle, and then here there is a circular pattern of this part, this pipe inside. It is not assembly, it is part already. Okay, let me try to draw it. Select part. Okay, and then go to the view of this sketch, and then the outer diameter is 50 radius and 46 radius outside, and then there is 41 radius and 37. Okay, let me try to draw. Select plane white, front plane, sketch. First tree, let me select center line. We're gonna to draw center line from this top, and then draw from here, and there is another center line here. Okay, and assign dimension. Okay, uh, from here up to here there is 9 mm. Okay, it is enough here, and then draw circles. Draw from here and even here. Okay, assign dimension. Okay, there is 100, and then there is 46 times 2. Okay, and then there inside there is another center here. First tree, let me assign some relation. Select this point and these points coincident. Okay, and even here it is automatically created, and then draw circles here. Draw like here, and draw here. Okay, and assign dimension. Let me look for dimension. 41 and 37. Okay, 41 times 2, it's 82 mm, and then there is here 37 times 2. Okay, look, let me select this side and this point tangent here. Okay, look, our preview is automatically fully defined. Let me trim the feature I don't want. Okay, select this portion and this portion. Okay, and then we are going to trim another one. We don't need. Okay, let me see the preview. We are not need to extrude. It's enough. And then extrude. We are going to extrude it up to 20 mm. We're going to select feature to extrude. Select this body, and then select this body, and then extrude up to 20 mm. Okay, look, select. Okay, look, and then you're going to make this inside cutout. The diameter of this is 12 mm and the whole 10 diameter. Okay, select top plane, sketch, and then select this circle, and then draw from the mid plane, and then may assign dimension. This is 12 mm, and then the distance from here up to here there is 10 mm. It is not fully defined because there is some feature here. Assign this relation, select horizontal, and then feature, and then extrude the mid plane. because I want to extrude both sides. And then let me see the lengths of this body. Let me see. Okay, from here up to here, uh, there is 104 mm. 104 mm. Look the preview. Okay, and then select OK. Select this face, a sketch. There is a 10 mm hole here, and then assign dimension 10 mm. Okay, look, and then we are going to extrude up to the next. Sorry, not extrude the boss. Select extrude the cut. Sorry, inside this body, and then we may select the roll, and then OK. Look the preview, the hole is automatically created, and then we are going to mirror this body. Okay, select here circular pattern, and then select body to pattern. Select this body and this body here, and then select direction. We may select this circle. Okay, and then here there is 3 number of pattern, and then we may select OK. Look, our portion or our body is automatically created. And then let me assign some colors. Okay, go to this, select this body here, may select this color, but I don't want this. Okay, go to the color and then select this body. Look, we may choose the color we want to use. Okay, and then select OK. You may save this body automatically. Thank you for